Have you ever wondered why Jollof rice holds such a special place in West African culture? This vibrant, flavorful dish is a symphony of tomatoes, onions, and a medley of spices, all harmoniously melded together in one pot. It's a culinary emblem, deeply woven into the cultural fabric of West Africa, as integral to the region as its music, its vibrant festivals, and its warm, joyous people. It's more than just a dish. Jollof rice is a celebration of life, of togetherness, of the simple pleasure that comes from sharing good food with good company. Versatile enough to be paired with various proteins and accompaniments, it's a staple at many gatherings and celebrations, a testament to its universal appeal. So what's the secret behind its irresistible allure? Get ready as we unravel the secret to this tantalizing dish and teach you how to make it right at home. To recreate this West African delight, you'll need a few key ingredients. Let's start with the base, rice. Long grain is preferred, serving as the perfect canvas to soak up the vibrant flavors. Next, we have tomatoes. Rich and luscious, they add a wonderful depth and color to the dish. Onions, both red and white, lend a slight sweetness and sharp bite. Now, let's talk heat. The Scotch bonnet pepper, fiery and aromatic, is a must, but be cautious, it's not for the faint-hearted. Bell peppers, on the other hand, offer a milder kick, plus a delightful crunch. Spices from thyme to curry add layers of complexity, each playing a crucial role in the symphony of flavors. And of course, there's room for optional protein, whether it's succulent chicken, juicy beef, or fresh fish. With these ingredients in hand, you're set to create a culinary masterpiece. Now, it's time to create a symphony of flavors. Imagine a maestro poised and ready before an orchestra, baton in hand, the air filled with anticipation. That maestro is you, and your kitchen is the grand stage. Every ingredient we've gathered is an instrument, waiting to play its part in our culinary symphony that is Jollof rice. Let's begin with the onions, the unsung heroes of flavor. Peel and chop them finely, releasing their sharp, tangy aroma. They are the opening notes of our symphony, setting the tone for the melody to come. Sauté them gently in a pool of shimmering oil, watching as they soften and turn a beautiful golden brown, their sharpness mellowing into a sweet, savory backdrop. Next, we introduce the tomatoes, the peppers, and the spices. Blend them into a harmonious puree, each ingredient lending its unique note to the melody. The ripe tomatoes provide a sweet, tangy base, the peppers add a hint of heat and complexity, while the spices, fragrant thyme, bold curry, and a pinch of nutmeg, create a tantalizing undercurrent of flavors. Now, let's bring our melody to a crescendo. Pour the vibrant blend into the pan with the sautéed onions, stirring as the mixture sizzles and pops. Each bubble that breaks the surface is a burst of flavor, a note in our symphony reaching its peak. Finally, it's time for the star of the show, the rice, to make its entrance. Rinse it thoroughly before adding it to the orchestra of flavors in the pan. Stir it in, ensuring every grain is coated in the rich, colorful mixture. Then let it simmer, allowing the rice to absorb the symphony of flavors, each grain swelling with the melody of our dish. The tantalizing aroma fills the kitchen, a beautiful harmony of scents that signals the nearing end of our culinary composition. And as the final notes of our symphony play out, you'll see your masterpiece coming to life. And voila, your Jollof rice is coming together. As the rice cooks, the flavors meld to create the unique Jollof rice taste. This, my friends, is where the magic happens. It's not just about getting the rice tender, but allowing the potent mix of tomatoes, onions, and spices to fully penetrate each grain. Now, it's time to reduce the heat. This is a crucial step, not to be rushed or dismissed. By reducing the heat, you're allowing the rice to simmer slowly, absorbing the flavors and juices, becoming a fluffy, aromatic delight. A symphony of flavors, if you will. And as the heat lowers, the anticipation rises. The fragrance wafting from the pot is a delicious promise of the feast to come. Every second, every stir brings the dish closer to perfection. Your Jollof rice is now ready to be served, but the journey doesn't end here. Because in the world of cooking, every dish is a new adventure, a new story to be told. Why is Jollof rice so loved in West Africa, you might ask? Well, it's more than just a dish. It's a symphony of flavors, a culinary masterpiece, a beloved tradition. In West Africa, Jollof rice is a symbol of unity and cultural identity. It's a dish that transcends borders, binding nations together with its tantalizing taste. Indeed, each grain of jollof rice carries with it a rich tapestry of West African history. From the bustling marketplaces where the ingredients are sourced, to the kitchens where the dish is lovingly prepared, it's a testament to the region's abundant resources and culinary ingenuity. Jollof rice is also a marker of celebrations. From weddings to birthdays to religious festivals, no special occasion is complete without a serving of this vibrant dish. Its hearty flavor and aromatic allure have a way of turning any gathering into a feast, making it a staple at tables across the region. But perhaps the most endearing aspect of jollof rice is its versatility. Whether it's served with succulent chicken, fresh fish, or tender beef, it's a dish that caters to a wide range of palates. And let's not forget the many accompaniments that can be paired with it, from fried plantains to coleslaw, adding yet another layer of delight. Jollof rice is a testament to West African creativity and resilience. It's a dish that has evolved over time, adapting to changing tastes and preferences, yet always retaining its essence. It's a dish that, much like the people who prepare it, is constantly evolving, yet remains deeply rooted in tradition. So the next time you find yourself enjoying a plate of jollof rice, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken. From the fields of West Africa, through the hands of skilled cooks, to your plate, it's a journey marked by love, passion, and a deep respect for culinary artistry. Whether you're in Nigeria, Ghana, or anywhere else in the world, a plate of jollof rice is a plate of love shared from West Africa to you. So, there you have it, the magic of jollof rice. We've traveled a culinary journey, a gastronomic adventure, from understanding its cultural significance to gathering the ingredients, to the actual cooking of the dish. We've seen how jollof rice, this simple yet complex dish, holds a special place in the heart of West Africa. We've explored the vibrant medley of tomatoes, onions, and spices that make up its signature flavor. We've witnessed the symphony of tastes come together, layer after layer, each ingredient lending its unique note to the grand orchestra of flavors. We've added those final touches, those little secrets that transform a good dish into a great one. And then, we've tasted, savored, and understood why jollof rice is not just food, but a celebration of culture, of camaraderie, of life itself. Next time you find yourself craving something flavorful and fulfilling, remember jollof rice, a dish that truly embodies the spirit of West Africa.